HTML, in which we are going to learn about what is HTML and which elements are used basic for to create a web page. So what is HTML? It's a hypertext markup language, and this language is used to create a web page. What a web page creating is Flipkart, Amazon, but it uses HTML language. So to create a web page, there are 4 basic tags. Using this tag, we can create a web page. First tag is HTML. HTML open means angular bracket open, HTML text angular bracket close. This is called the HTML open. And HTML close means angular bracket open, backslash, HTML and close angular bracket. So this is the set of tag HTML open, HTML close. It's called container tag. Next tag is the head tag. Head tag plays a very important role in a basic element of HTML. So it is useful for the search engine. What is data? The content of web page described by the head tag, and in head tag use the help of meta tag. Also with the help of this we can display the title. So it uses the title tag for this. So content description to describe the contents we have to use the meta tag, and title we have to use the title tag. And it's also opening tag and closing tag. Opening tag and closing tag. Next is the body tag. Using body tag we can display the information in a web page. Whatever information you want to display in a web page, we have used the body tag. Open body tag, type the text which you want to display, and close body tag, close HTML. And this program you have to write in Notepad, code editors. So, and say as a p1.html, and how to execute? You have to open with Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. So in this way, today we learn about basic tag of HTML. If you like it, share it. Thanks for watching video.